Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to receive daily financial summaries on Clio. Now, do you want to make a quick daily rundown of your money situation? Clio sends short, digestible summaries to keep you in the loop without the stress. Here's how to turn them on. Step 1, go to settings or notifications in the Clio app. This is where you manage what info Clio sends to your phone. Step 2, enable daily updates or financial summary notifications. You can toggle the switch to receive a summary each day, usually via push or in-app messages. Step 3, choose your preferred time. Now you can set when you want to get the updates. It could be morning, lunch, or by the end of the day. Step 4, read your summaries daily. Now each summary includes your current balance as well as recent transactions, upcoming bills, and spending alerts. Step 5, ask questions in the chat bar. Now, if something looks off, you can just ask Clio, hey, why did I spend so much yesterday? Or, hey, show me my recent charges and whatnot. You can use that to ask questions. With daily summaries, you're never in the dark about your finances. Just a quick glance keeps your money mindset on point. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.